I was against the pulling out of the ICC in the last administration. Palagi ko ngayon, and this is only my my perspective on what's happening. Wala akong insider information. Yes. With what's happening sa Quadcom, palagi kong gagawin nila ay they will allow a Philippine process to go over all of this new evidence or new testimony na lalabas. And mahalaga rin yan. Kasi ang ICC really steps in kapag walang kakayanan yung local processes to go over these issues. No? So, ang mahalaga, talagang pumasok tayo sa isang local process at hindi lang yung ICC. Now, if it happens in parallel, which I think is also what's happening now, then so be it. No? But mahalaga na may local process tayo na gumagalaw rin.
Just to clarify, Senator Bam, are you still for rejoining the ICC?
Yeah. Yes. Again, our position before was not to leave. So, I don't think we will change our position.
I watched one of your previous interviews and you mentioned in that interview na you want to rejoin, you're for rejoining the ICC, but we should also look at our local process.
Exactly.
So, ano specifically, yung gusto nyo, yung tingin nyo we should improve on when it comes to our justice system here in the Philippines?
Yung war on drugs kasi, isang malaking epekto yan sa ating bansa. And kung papayagan mo lang ang mga dayuhan to resolve that issue, hindi ka rin magkakaroon ng resolusyon dito sa ating bansa. So, para sa akin, mahalaga na meron tayong local process para ma-resolve ang issue na yan. If you look at martial law with what happened to us in the past, hindi siya na-resolve Diba? Kung hindi siya na-resolve, ang rami pa rin epekto niyan throughout generations. So, I'm looking at it from a perspective na mahalaga na ang resolusyon ng mga nangyari sa Pilipinas mangyayari rin sa Pilipinas. Habang meron tayong mga parallel processes na nangyayari.